Hello, welcome to Whispers. What the hot headline surrounding Baba Ijesha and Mrs. Daughter's case? It shows the state of the nation from pedophilia. The men folk, they're suffering from pedophilia. Pedophilia is a psychiatric disorder in which an adult or an older adolescent experiences a primary or exclusive sexual attraction to adolescent children. The cases of criminal felony harassment, the kidnapping, the raping, the assaults, cases of armed robbery, it calls across board that indeed the female child is in danger in our society. Baba Ijesha's incidents are just bring to the forefront this moral decadence that is hitting deep into the fabric of our present day society. And indeed, the female child, female gender's unending nightmare. Pedophilia, the shame of a nation. Baba Ijesha, the poster boy. Former Zamfara State Governor Senator Yerima is a proponent of child marriage and defended his decision to marry a 13-year-old, saying it is Islamic. You see the problem we have in Nigeria? This is pedophilia in many parts of the country. Another reason Nigeria needs to pay attention, find a lasting solution to this pandemic. It is a deadly one. Princess did what any sane woman would do in the African society that is so decayed and deluded about these sexual assaults. What was the outcome of the Goza Yahoo pastor's case? Nothing, because he has money and police said no evidence. The only way to obtain justice is to do what Princess did. If Princess had reported with no evidence, no one in that insane country would have believed her. They will give stupid excuse that there is no evidence. Niger police is lazy and clueless. Justice? Crap. In the developed world, Princess would not have had to do what she did because the system would investigate thoroughly and get Baba Ijesha jailed and placed on the sex register as a pedophile. Princess not only got to know that Baba Ijesha sexually assaulted the underage girl recently, Princess only got to know that Baba Ijesha sexually assaulted the underage girl recently, and she planted the camera to see if the girl's allegation was true. If the camera did not catch Baba Ijesha, it would have denied it, and there would be no justice for that girl. Most Nigerian men are despicable and shameless. They refuse to have self-control, and that is why they are supporting Baba Ijesha, because most have done it or is still doing the same. They see a woman as a sexual object. Princess did the right thing in a debased society, which is to have evidence and get justice. A lot of Nigerians, even in the so-called Western countries, are not informed. The police set people up in order to hire cases to obtain evidence and jail perpetrators. Princess knew when to step in to prevent the man from proceeding to further have penetrative sex with the girl. I support what she did and would have done the same in a stupid country like Nigeria. She is a mother. I am proud of her. She sure has guts, which many of these stupid men don't actually have. This criminal behavior is epidemic. This criminal behavior is of epidemic proportion in our country. I'm not sorry to say. The young female hawkers are molested every day by these pedophiles and some men in uniform. I mean law enforcement officers, drivers, even white and blue-collar workers, secondary school teachers with their students, female house helps, and the list goes on. It is it's a very serious issue that a serious government would want to eradicate or reduce to the barest minimum. This issue happens in our country every minute of every day. Then Nigerian men will be the first ones to cry foul when women bring their lovers' children home to their husbands. Some of the root causes of this is highly likely down to long-term sexual assault and abuse. These abuses adversely affect us women and damage them emotionally one way or the other for life. And so one of the effects of the years of abuse is that they are not able to trust men or feel real love. The psychological effects of the traumatic experiences are usually lifelong, helped to manage and sometimes overcome through therapy and treatments. Unfortunately, in a male chauvinistic society like ours in Nigeria, when members of the legislature are proponents of child marriage, the hurdle to achieve fairness and justice for women victims or to legislate long-term prison terms, placing offenders on child sex offender register, and other measures that will significantly reduce the crime is very high, if not impossible. There is nothing to discourage or scare perpetrators of pedophilia to stop their dastardly acts in Nigeria. We do not have leaders. There you have it, guys. Very sad. Baba Ijesha is not the poster boy. As the face for all the faceless pedophiles out there. And it will be made to scapegoat, whether you're a celebrity or not. Watching in 3D until I come your way again. Bye.